Look at this guy. You smell like cow. What do you want to say? Look. He's driving because he doesn't say anything. Nick, say something. Say something, not signal. Say something. Say hi. Hi. Good afternoon, everybody. Ito. We do again about the infesting the cow. I just pick up there because he's killing the cow in Dandan. Now I bring home and then I want to clean the infesting. I make to pinapaitan, and there is one there for bookies. I want to boil first and then clean it and then smash about the salt so they can pick out about the smell. And then soon I want to cook little bit for pinapaitan, so getting strong the body. I want the soup because it's fresh the cow. That's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. And CNMI 670 Big Bird. Guys, thank you. Bill, see this guy keep talking. There, right, guys. He's gonna cook the pupu soup. Pupu. It's here in our pickup. I just make it and then planters. Okay, guys, he's done already. It's too much talking and he's very stinky. I'm with him in the car. He's stinky.